Hello friends and family, welcome to my YouTube channel Pallavi's Paradise. Here is my first ever YouTube video in my channel. Please subscribe, like and share my channel. Today we are going to make healthiest recipe for breakfast and or else it can be best option for tiffin also. Today we are making Rava Uthapa. It is the most delicious and easiest way recipe. Here is the batter. I kept it for already 10 minutes. This is the batter of 2 cups of rava, 1 cup, half cup of curd, half cup besan, 1 tablespoon chaat masala and salt, chopped onion, tomato, coriander and mirchi. And I kept this batter for 10 minutes aside. Rava will get soaked into a very nicely in this batter. You can see it how rava is soaked in this batter very nicely. Later we are going to add water in it. You can see it how nicely it is done. Here I am adding water. Make a stir properly. Again I am going to add the water to make a proper consistency to make a rava. You can see again I have added the water for proper consistency. Let's heat the pan for dosa or else uttapa, whatever you wish, you can say it. Here I have already preheated tawa. Okay. Let's sprinkle 2 tablespoons of oil. Spread rava dosa or rava uttapa like this. Very nicely it will get. Very nicely it will done. You can see it. It will turn into very crispy. Let's sprinkle some oil or some ghee on it, or spread chopping items on the dosa on top of it. You can see how I have spreaded the chopped items on dosa or on uttapa. Let's press it or let's turn it. It will get turned very easily and it will turn into nice brown color rava uttapa. You can see 2 types of uttapa here, as my boy don't like over spreading on top, so I kept this for him separately. Let's cook this uttapa very nicely. It will turn into nice brown rava uttapa. Let's see. You can see it. It will get turned very crispy. This is the better option for tiffin and breakfast also. Very easiest recipe for 10 minutes. Only 10 minutes it will take, for 10 minutes. It will get very tasty recipe. You can see it. Now we are turning this tawa. You can see this. Wow. Yes. You can see, no? See it. How it is done properly. Let's spread nicely or let's press it nicely. So let's cook this rava properly. Keep it aside. Thank you guys for watching it. If you like this recipe, please do subscribe. Thank you so much.